In this video, let's talk about how to fix Gmail cannot attach file. Now, in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the strict limit of the total size of a file that you can attach is 25 MB. So if the file is above 25 MB, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Secondly, what you'll also need to do is review the file extensions. Gmail blocks dangerous extensions like .exe or .jar or even .bat, so make sure that you do not use any sort of restricted files types within the Gmail extensions tab or within the Gmail attachments. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, or if these are not the cases for you, then what you need to do is just clear out the browser cache or the app cache of the application of Gmail. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache and simply tap on clear storage. If you're using a Gmail on a web browser, make sure you clear out the browser cache as well. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.